Hello, in this video I'm going to discuss some examples, some problem solving examples on properties of thermodynamic substances. So we can start here in this example. The problem says a beer barrel has a mass of 10 kilogram and a volume of 20 liters. Assuming the density of beer is 1000 kilogram per meter cube, determine the total mass and weight of the barrel and when it is filled with beer. Okay? So, our given is 10 kilogram. This is the mass of the barrel, okay? And then the volume of 20 liters. The density of the beer is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So, ang tinatanong dito is the total mass. Total mass nung barrel at saka nung beer. So, the total mass is equivalent to mass of the barrel and then plus the mass of the beer. Okay. So, meron tayong given na mass ng barrel which is 10 kilogram. But hindi natin alam yung mass ng beer. But the mass can be calculated by using the density mass over volume. So, mass is the density of the beer and the total volume. Okay? Ang sabi niya, it is filled. So, napuno. Okay? So, density of the beer which is 1000 kilogram per meter cube times the volume of 20 liters, convert natin siya ng meter cube. 1 meter cube is 1,000 liters. Ayan. So, magka-cancel si liters, si meter cube, and pag kinalculate natin to, okay, pag kinalculate natin to, this would be equivalent to 20 kilogram. Okay? 20 kilogram. 20 kilogram. 10 kilogram plus 20 kilogram of beer, which is equivalent to 30 kilogram in total. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa total mass. Meron na tayo. Ngayon, yung weight naman. Weight is equivalent to mgo over gc, diba? So, 30 kilogram times the gravity of Earth, which is 9.81 meter per second squared, over the conversion, 1 kilogram meter per second squared is to Newton. Okay, so this would be equivalent to 294.3 Newton. So this is the final answer in this one. Okay, let's proceed to the next. A certain thermometer is calibrated using ice and steam points as fixed points, designating them as being temperature 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius respectively. Then the thermodynamic function chosen to establish the scale is A ln x plus b instead of the line scale TAX plus b. Okay, determine the constant A and B and develop a relation to express x boiling point and x steam point. Okay? So, alam natin na ang temperature ay A ln x plus B. Okay? Sa 0 degrees Celsius, malamang ang x natin ay x freezing point. Okay? So, 0 is equivalent to A ln xf plus b. So, b, we can write it as negative A ln xf. Okay. So, 100 degrees Celsius, Okay. So, 100 degrees Celsius. Ang x natin malamang, x is steam point. Okay, so 100 is equals to A ln xs plus B. So, we can write B, diba, as A, negative A ln xf. So, 100, substitute na natin, is equals to A ln xs minus A ln xf. Okay, pwede natin i-simplify as 100 A ln xs over xf. Okay, ito ay properties ng natural logarithms or logarithms. Okay, so A can be written as 100 over ln xs over xf. Okay, and B can be written as negative A, okay, 100 ln xf over xf times ln xf. Okay. Ngayon, meron na tayong A at saka B. Pwede na natin kunin yung relationship ng x, xb, tsaka xs. Okay? So, temperature is equivalent to A, which is 100 ln xs xf. Okay? Ln xf ay ln x pala, sorry. Ln x, ito yung A natin, ito yun, times ln x plus B, which is equivalent to negative 100 ln xs xf times ln xf. Okay, ayan. So, pwede pa natin i-simplify. Simplify lang natin. Magbura lang muna tayo dito. Simplify natin siya into pwede nating ilabas si 100. Okay, ang matitira dito is ln x over ln xs xf minus ln xf over ln xs over xf. Okay. So, simplify pa natin further. Pwede itong maging 100 ln xs xf ln x minus ln xf. Simplify pa natin. Pwede pa yan. Ito natin ilagay. T is equals to 100. Okay. Ito pwede nating isulat as ln x over xf. Okay, over yan, ln x over xf over ln xs over xf. Okay, so this is our final answer. This one, and this one. Okay, ito yung sa letter A, constant A and B, and then letter B, which is the relation to express this one. Okay, so ganyan siya. Next, number 10. If the total length of the tube containing mercury is 1.5 meters, what should be the value of height x so that the difference in pressure between points 1 and 2 is 78.743 kilopascal gauge. Assume the following: specific gravity for water is 1 and mercury is 13.59 and oil is 0.80. Okay, difference. Okay, kapag positive ito, ibig sabihin, dahil mas malaki ang pressure malamang nitong nasa baba. So, technically, this should be P2 minus P1. Diba? Ito yung 78.743 kPa gauge. Ayan. Now, gawin natin yung last time, okay, yung pagkuha ng pressure. Madaming unknown. Okay, sige, later on. Kunin natin kunyari si P2. P2 is equivalent to P2. This is oil, okay? 0.80 kasi specific gravity times 1,000. Okay? G, roll GH to 9.81 times here, okay, ito yung P2, diba? P2 equals 0.8 hanggang dito. Okay, kunin natin. Ito at ito ay magkapantay, so let's name this as A. Pantay din siya dito. So, 1.0 plus A. Okay? Plus, ang susunod, ito, from here, magka-cancel. So, wala na yan. Okay? From here, dito, papunta dito, magka-cancel ulit. So, wala na ulit yan. So, eto naman tayo. Plus. Plus siya kasi from here, pag ganyan, mas mataas to. So, positive. This is mercury. So, 13.59. Okay. Times 1,000. Times 9.81 times height na x. Hindi natin alam. Okay? So, okay na tayo dyan. And then, ito. Itong part na to. Plus, that is water. So, 1.0 times 1,000 times 9.81. Okay. So, sabi niya dito, 2 meters ito. 1 meter ito. So, ang hahanapin natin ito. So, ito. So, 2 minus 1 is 1, diba? 2 minus 1 is 1. So, ito ay 1 meter. Ito. Okay. Kung 1 meter yan, ibig sabihin, ito is equivalent sa 1 meter minus ito. X plus A. So, X plus A. Ayan. And then, matic P1. May given tayo P2 minus P1. Okay, P2 minus P1. Equivalent sa 78.743 kilopascal gauge. Equals. Okay. Ayan. Kung titingnan natin to, meron tayong dalawang variables. Gawin nating isa. Para mahanap lang natin. Ang unknown natin is x. So, isulat natin si A in terms of x. Paano naman natin kukunin yung relationship ng A tsaka x? May binigay siya 1.5 meters daw. Yung tube containing mercury. So, itong part na to, ayan, is 1.5 meters. So, 1.5 meters is equals to x plus dalawang A, 2A, plus yung 0.4. 2A, 0.4. So, A is equivalent sa 1.5 minus 1.4, that is 1.1 minus x over 2. So, we can write A as 1.1 minus x over 2. So, substitute ulit natin. 0.8, 1,000, 9.81 times 1 plus 1.1 minus x over 2. Okay. plus 13.59 times 1,000 over 9.81 times x, okay, yan yung hinahanap, plus 1.0 times 1,000 times 9.81, 1 minus x plus a na 1.1 minus x over 2. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. Ngayon, itong kPAG ay naka kilopascal. So, ito is naka-pascal lang. So, ang gawin natin dito, i-multiply natin siya sa 1 kPa times 1,000 pascal. Okay. Para uniform tayo ng units. So, i-plug in natin yung values and then shift solve. Okay? 78.743 times 1,000. Calculate lang natin. Then shift solve. Wait natin yung ang sagot dyan is x is equivalent to 0.4994 meters. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, so next, number 11. Find the area of the piston of which the 45 kilonewton, okay, 45 kilonewton, say kilonewton natin ito. Force act, okay? So, naalala nyo yung F over A equals to F over A. So, ganun lang din yan. So, 30 Newton, meron tayong 200 square millimeter. Oops. Millimeter is equals to 45 kilonewton. So, gawin natin itong 45,000 Newton over X or the area. Okay, kunin natin yung area. 30 over 200. 45,000 over X. Shift solve. Ang sagot ay okay, ang area natin dyan ay 300,000 square millimeter. So, that's it. Ito na po yung sagot. Next, number 12. Okay, yung number 12 naman, the vertical frictionless piston cylinder shown below contains gas at unknown pressure. The piston has a mass of 10 kilogram and a cross-sectional area of 75 centimeter squared. The spring exerts a downward force of 100 Newton on the piston and atmospheric pressure is 100 kPa. Determine the pressure of the gas. Okay, so ano gagawin natin dyan? The approach would be parang parehas lang dun sa manometer. Okay, hinahanap si P gas. Okay, so P gas equals kagad pressure ng piston and then the pressure of the spring. Okay, and atmospheric pressure. Ayan. Kasi ito yung pinakamababa. So, pag ganun ka. Okay, so P gas. Oops. Okay, P gas. Ang pressure ng piston ay makukuha mo sa F over A. Okay? Sabi niya, 10 kilogram. Okay. Times 9.81. That is the force. In terms of weight, diba? Newton yan, meter per second squared. Wait lang. Meter per second squared. Over the area na 75 centimeter squared. Convert natin. Okay. Convert natin to 75, 100 centimeter squared. 1 meter squared. Ayan. Now, over, okay na yan, F over A, okay, plus, the spring, ang sabi niya, the spring exerts a downward force of 100 Newton. Okay? So, ganun pa din, yung spring, nagbibigay ng 100 Newton, ang area pa rin niya is the piston. Okay? So, 100 Newton over 75. Ganun ulit, convert natin, 100 centimeter squared over 1 meter squared. Plus the atmospheric pressure of 100 kPa. Convert natin into Pascal kasi Pascal ang sagot dito. So, 1 kPa times 1,000 Pascal. Okay, so ang pressure ng gas natin ay equivalent sa compute natin. Okay, this is 126,413.3333 Pascal, or kapag kilopascal tayo, this is equivalent to 126.4133 kilopascal. Oops. Kilopascal. So, this would be the final answer. Okay? Next problem. A pressure cooker operates by cooking food at a higher pressure and temperature that is possible at atmospheric conditions. Steam is contained in the sealed pot with a small vent hole in the middle of the cover, allowing steam to escape. Okay, the pressure is regulated by covering the vent hole with a small weight which is displaced slightly by the escaping steam. Atmospheric pressure is 100 kPa. The vent hole area is 7 mm squared. And the pressure inside should be 250 kPa. What is the mass of the weight? Okay, pressure cooker, kung familiar kayo, yan, may takip yan. Tapos, dito, ito, parang nakaseal siya. Okay? Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi niyang weight. May vent hole dyan. So, kapag nakababa yan, build up siya ng pressure sa loob. Okay. So, kung ang hinahanap is the mass of the weight, pwede natin kunin yung pressure sa loob palabas. Okay? Pressure sa loob should be 250, di ba? 250,000 Pascal, 250 kPa eh. Okay, equals. Ang susunod dyan is yung weight. Okay, yung dumadagan dun sa vent hole. So, that is F over A. Plus yung atmospheric pressure. Okay, so ganyan siya. So, 250,000 Pascal. Hinahanap is the mass. So, weight muna tayo. Weight over the area is 7 mm squared. Okay, so 7 mm squared. Convert natin. 1,000 mm squared over 1 m squared. Okay. Plus, the atmospheric pressure is 100,000 Pascal or 100 kPa. So, ang weight na lalabas dito ay equivalent sa 1,000 squared over 7. 1.05. Okay, weight yon, so 1.05 Newton. Okay, 1.05 Newton. This is equivalent to mgo over gc. M, yung hinahanap, times 9.81, which is the gravity of the Earth. Okay, and the conversion, meter per second squared. 1 kilogram meter per second squared Newton. Okay, so ang mass na lalabas ay equivalent sa 0.1070 kilogram. Okay, so this is the final answer. So that is for number 13. Next, number 14. Steam is held in two compartments A and B separated by a membrane. The total volume is 777 feet cube and the volume of the compartment B is 280 feet cube. The specific volume of the steam in B is 9.5. The membrane breaks and the resulting specific volume is 12.75 feet cube per minute. Determine the original specific volume in compartment A. Okay. So, given, meron tayong VT, total volume na 777 feet cube. Ang volume ng B natin ay nasa 280 feet cube. So, ibig sabihin, ang VA natin ay VT minus VB, which is equivalent sa 777 minus 280. 777 minus 280, that is 497. Okay, 497 feet cube. Okay, next, specific volume ng B is 9.5 feet cube per pound mass. Okay. Specific volume ng, the specific volume of, nung nag-break yung membrane, ng specific volume total is 12.75. Specific volume, mali yung unit niya, dapat pound mass to. So, feet cube per pound mass. Okay. So, meron tayo. Ang hinahanap is specific volume ng A. Meron tayo ng VT, meron tayo nito. Okay. So, ang pwede nating solution, diba? VA plus VB is equals to VT, which is given naman lahat. The mass of A plus the mass of B is equals to mass of T. Okay, hindi natin alam yung mass. Okay. And now, pwede natin gawin is, given naman yung specific volume, alam natin ng specific volume ay reciprocal ng density. So, ibig sabihin, ito is, pwede natin i-compute to as rho A VA plus rho B VB is equals to rho T VT. VT. Ayan. Meron tayo nito, at saka nito. Ang wala tayo ito. Okay, so makukuha natin yan. Density of A. Volume of A is 497. Volume of A is 497 feet cube. Plus, density ng B, ang given natin is specific volume. So, reciprocal natin, 1 over 1 over 9.5 pala. 9.5 feet cube per pound mass times the volume of B, which is 280, equals 1 over 12.75 feet cube per pound mass times the total volume, which is 707 feet cube. Okay, so ang magiging density natin na equivalent sa ang density natin ay equivalent sa 1 over 9.5 280 Okay. This is equivalent to 0.0633 density tayo pound mass per feet cube. So, kapag kukunin natin yung specific volume, reciprocal lang yan. 1 over rho A, which is equivalent to 15.7941 feet cube. Okay, so ito po yung final feet cube per pound mass. Ito po yung final answer natin. Okay, so let's proceed to the next. Number 15, a tank has a vacuum gauge attached to it indicating 25 inches vacuum where atmospheric HG vacuum where atmospheric pressure is 14.5 psi. A, determine the pressure in the tank, absolute pressure in the tank. Okay, so alam natin na P absolute is equals to the atmospheric pressure minus, okay, minus the vacuum pressure. Okay, so P abs is equivalent to, sabi niya, ang atmospheric pressure natin ay 14.5 minus ang given ay 25 inches mercury. Ang conversion po niyan, okay, ang 14.7 psi ay equivalent sa 29.92 inches of mercury. So, ang P abs natin, ibig sabihin ay equivalent sa 14.5 minus 25 times 14.7 over 29.92. That is equivalent to 2.2172 psi. So this is the final answer. Okay, so that is the last example. Thank you very much for listening.